This power window switch fits for 2013 to 2016 Dodge Dart, 2014 to 2016 Cherokee, 2015-2016 Chrysler 200. Except power fold mirrors, including model years 13, 14, 15, 16. Reference OE number 68271203AB 68271203 AA 560465568 AAC 560465553 AB 56046553 AC. Before purchase this window master power switch, please check the part numbers. 8 pins plus 13 pins metal pins. Even if the model and year of your car is the same, please check the number of pins and original switch appearance before purchasing. The LED color of this switch is green. Plug-and-play style. Just need to remove the driver's side window switch and replace it, easy to install. Please contact us first for any question, we will reply you within 12 working hours. Top reviews from the United States. So easy to install. I used this on my 2013 Dodge Dart. I had broke the button for my driver door window and needed to replace the panel. I had bought this and hoped it would work, and it did. It works perfectly, so much better than the old one. I will note this panel does glow green and note white like the rest of my window panels, but I don't mind. Great buy.